We'll guide you through how to color grade in DaVinci Resolve, making your videos look cinematic and professional. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Go to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the interface. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see your footage in the Viewer window, and below that, a timeline of your clips. Click on the clip you want to color grade. On the right, you'll find the Color Wheels panel. This is essential for balancing your image. Adjust the lift, gamma, and gain wheels to tweak the shadows, midtones, and highlights. Pay attention to the scopes on the right side to ensure your adjustments are balanced. The parade scope is particularly helpful for this. Next, move on to curves, which you'll find above the color wheels. Use the custom curves to fine-tune the contrast and color tones. Drag the curve line up or down to adjust the contrast, and use the red, green, and blue channels to correct any color casts. For more precise color grading, use the qualifier tool to isolate specific colors. Click on the eyedropper icon, then click on the color in the viewer you want to adjust. You can now refine this selection with the controls below. Finally, apply a LUT for a quick and powerful color grade. Go to the LUTs panel, located in the top left, and browse through the available options. Click on a LUT to apply it, and adjust its intensity with the key output slider. Remember to play through your clip to ensure the grade looks consistent across different shots. Don't forget to save your project regularly to avoid losing your work. And that's how you color grade in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.